Okay, I just got through watching Jeepers Media's video about SOPA, and I decided to take a look at the list of companies which are supporting this bill, and I found a name which I really didn't expect. Leatherman Tool Company is, well, the CEO of Leatherman, his name's Tim Leatherman, is supporting SOPA. He is putting forward millions of dollars to censor America. And there's no greater definition of a terrorist than an individual or an organization which is trying to take away your freedom. This is my Charge TI. I've had it in my pocket every day for the past 5 years. But it's now just a piece of trash. There's nothing wrong with the tool, works perfectly fine, but it was designed by a cowardly, spineless, traitorous piece of shit named Timothy Leatherman, and is now garbage. So I'm gonna go get me a Gerber and deal with this thing.